Welcome back to AutoMate World, your ultimate destination for the hottest updates, detailed reviews, and future rides that define automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into a true American icon reborn, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. It's bold, it's aggressive, and it's redefining what performance means in the modern era. The new Stingray doesn't just carry the Corvette legacy forward, it completely transforms it into a mid-engine masterpiece that delivers supercar thrills at a price that still shocks the industry at SO. Let's start by setting the stage. The Corvette has always been the pride of American performance, a car that has challenged European exotics for decades, combining raw power with everyday usability. But the 2026 model takes that philosophy to another level. It's not just an evolution, it's a revolution in design, power, and technology. The first thing that grabs your attention is the bold new look. Chevrolet has gone all in on aerodynamics, blending beauty with brutal efficiency. The 2026 Stingray wears a sharper, more futuristic design, with aggressive lines sculpted to slice through the air. Every curve serves a purpose. The front fascia has been redesigned with slimmer LED headlights, larger intakes, and a new carbon fiber front splitter that enhances downforce. The long hood is gone, replaced by the compact front end that hints at the powerful mid-engine layout underneath. From the side, the car looks like a missile ready to launch. Deep air channels carve through the doors, feeding the massive engine bay for optimal cooling. The sculpted side mirrors and the muscular rear haunches make the car look like it's in motion even when parked. Move to the rear, and you're greeted by quad exhaust tips, a redefined diffuser, and a fully integrated active spoiler that automatically adjusts based on speed to deliver perfect balance between drag and grip. The taillights continue the signature Corvette DNA, angular, glowing, and instantly recognizable at night. The Stingray badge proudly sits in the center, symbolizing performance heritage meeting future technology. Slip inside, and the transformation continues. The 2026 Corvette Stingray's interior feels like stepping into a fighter jet cockpit. Chevrolet has redesigned the cabin for maximum driver focus. The controls wrap around you, and every button, switch, and display faces the driver. The new 12.8-inch curved infotainment screen dominates the dashboard, powered by Chevrolet's latest infotainment system with built-in Google integration, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a stunning new digital instrument cluster that adapts to your driving mode. The touchscreen seamlessly connects to a 14-speaker Bose performance sound system that fills the cabin with concert-quality audio, whether you're cruising down the highway or blasting through the track. The dashboard features a blend of carbon fiber, microfiber suede, and fine leather with customizable ambient lighting. The steering will remain squared off for better visibility of the digital gauges, and behind it sits a fully configurable performance display that shows real-time torque, G-force, tire temperature, and even track lap timing. The seats are newly designed GT2 performance buckets. Lighter, more comfortable, and supportive for both long drives and high-speed maneuvers. There's a sense of refinement and purpose that feels worthy of cars double its price. Now, let's talk about what's behind your head, the beating heart of this machine. The 2026 Corvette Stingray retains the legendary 6.2-liter LT2 V8 engine, now fine-tuned to produce even more power and torque. Chevrolet engineers have squeezed out around 510 horsepower and 490 lb-ft of torque, giving it an incredible balance between everyday drivability and pure racing excitement. The engine sits low in the chassis for better weight distribution, connected to an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that delivers lightning-fast shifts, both smooth in traffic and razor-sharp on the track. The 0 to 60 time, just around 2.9 seconds. That's supercar territory, and at a fraction of the price. Handling has also been enhanced for 2026. The new adaptive magnetic ride control system constantly adjusts the suspension in milliseconds, keeping the car perfectly composed over bumps, corners, and high-speed straights. Whether you're cruising through the city or pushing limits on the track, the Stingray adapts instantly. The steering is razor-precise, giving you complete confidence with every input. Add to that the latest Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, improved braking system with Brembo calipers, and lightweight aluminum chassis. and you've got one of the most balanced mid-engine sports cars ever built by Chevrolet. One of the key selling points of the 2026 Corvette Stingray is that it still maintains its everyday usability. You can take it to the grocery store, drive it daily, or unleash it on the weekends without worrying about reliability or outrageous costs. The front and rear trunks combined give you enough cargo space to actually make a road trip possible, something most supercars can't say. Performance modes are another highlight. With the turn of a knob, you can switch between Tour, Sport, Track, and Weather modes, each adjusting throttle response, steering feedback, exhaust tone, and suspension stiffness. And speaking of the exhaust, the new active exhaust system delivers a symphony of V8 rumble that's both deep and thrilling. At low speeds, it stays quiet and civilized. But once you open it up, it roars like a beast set free. It's that perfect blend of American muscle and European finesse. Chevrolet has also paid close attention to the digital experience. The updated infotainment software is faster, smarter, and more responsive. The driver assistance tech has been improved too, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a 360-degree camera for easy parking and low-speed maneuvering. Everything feels intuitive and built for the modern driver. And then there's the price, the part that truly shakes up the segment. The 2026 Corvette Stingray starts around $70,000, which is astonishing considering the level of performance and technology it offers. You're essentially getting Ferrari-like acceleration, McLaren-inspired handling, and a premium cabin experience at less than half the cost of its European rivals. That's the magic of the Corvette: performance without compromise, luxury without excess, and design without apology. It's not just a sports car, it's a statement, a symbol of how far American engineering has come. The mid-engine layout has unlocked the Corvette's true potential, bringing balance, agility, and sophistication that rivals the world's best. The Stingray doesn't just chase supercars anymore, it competes with them head-on. And with its stunning design, cutting-edge tech, and raw power, it might just be the most complete Corvette ever built. If you're someone who wants the thrill of a Lamborghini Huracan or a Porsche 911 without the six-figure price tag, the 2026 Corvette Stingray is your ticket. It's powerful, practical, and absolutely gorgeous. A future classic in the making. So, what do you think of the new Stingray? Has Chevrolet nailed it with this bold new mid-engine design? Or do you still prefer the front-engine classics of the past? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Corvette Stingray, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to AutoMate World, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates on future cars, reviews, and automotive tech. This is AutoMate World, where innovation meets the road. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you